Hi everyone, welcome back to another Spanish lesson. I'm Miss Danny with the T Center, and today we're going to learn about the family members, how to say the family members in Spanish, okay? Let's go ahead and start. I have my PowerPoint presentation here for all of you. And la familia, familia, familia. Hi, my name is Peppa. Hola, soy Pepa. Hola, hello, soy Pepa. That's when you introduce yourself. You can say soy or me llamo. It's the same. That's my dad. Papa, papa. That's my mom. Mama, mama. That is my brother. Hermano, hermano. Your turn. And that's my sister. Hermana, hermana. Now, if you notice, hermano and hermana, the only difference is the last letter. So for man, it ends with O, hermano, and for girl, ends with A, hermana. Now, let's go ahead and listen to the song that we have prepared for today. There you go.
Mi familia is my family. Bueno, niños, I sing the song and do the motions, and you guess quién es. Mi familia, mi familia, mi familia, mi familia, papá, mamá, hermano, hermana, abuelo, abuela, bebé, bebé, tío, tía, primo, prima, y yo, bien. Now, can you sing it with me? Let's sing it together. ¿Listos? Ready? Mi familia, mi familia, mi familia, mi familia, papá, mamá, hermano, hermana, abuelo, abuela, bebé, bebé, tío, tía, primo, prima, y yo, bien.
Perfect. All right, let's go and review our presentation. We have sister, hermana, hermana. Brother, hermano. Your turn. Mom, mama. Your turn. Mama. And dad, papa. Your turn. Papá. Yo soy, I am Peppa. And familia. That's family. Repeat after me. Familia. Great job, you guys. Now, I will see you next time for another Spanish lesson. Don't forget to like and share our videos, and we'll love to hear from you. I will see you later. Goodbye. Adios.